everyone, my name is Dimurtia. I am from Group 4 and I would like to present a summary of the assessment about the film Just Mercy 2019.
Hello, my name is Fradila Bilhas and I'm from Group 4.
Hello, my name is Rizky. I'm from Group 4.
Hello, my name is Tiwi. I'm from Group 4.
Hello, my name is Naila Ayudia and I'm from Group 4.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present a review and deeper discussion about the 2019 legal drama film titled Just Mercy. This movie is based on true story and adapted from the memoir written by Brian Stevenson, a real-life lawyer and social justice activist.
So it starts with I saw a preview of the film. Just Mercy tells the story of Brian Stevenson, a young, Harvard-educated lawyer who decides to move to Alabama to free legal assistance of death. Okay. Ganti.
The central case in the movie revolves around Walter Miss Million or Johnny, played brilliantly by Jamie Foxx. Johnny adalah pria kulit hitam yang dituduh membunuh seorang gadis kulit putih. Padahal bukti terhadap dirinya sangat lemah. Despite the lack of evidence, he was sentenced to death. The film shows us how the justice system can fail, especially when biases and racism play a role.
Now let's move the Neverlaw. At the beginning of the movie, kita diperlihatkan bagaimana Johnny D ditangkap secara brutal tanpa proses yang benar. He is forced into a comes of he never met and the court quickly label him guilty. Now Brian Stevenson, played by Michael B. Jordan
Rambutnya itu
ever in Alabama full of hope, only of religion. The fighting for justice is not as simple as he focus ever stand for lawyer pengacara judges, police, and even society how Genevieve is quality simple because the twin and quick resolution. Yes, resolution.
Throughout the film, Brian's investigation reveals multiple inconsistencies. For example, the main witness was testified. Again, Johnny D ternyata memberikan kesaksian palsu karena ditekan polisi. Ada juga bukti yang sebenarnya bisa membebaskan Johnny D, tetapi sengaja disembunyikan. This part of the movie emphasizes how legal discrimination can be systematic, not just accidental.
Let's talk a bit about the characters and what the actor brought to the film. Michael B. Jordan portrayed Brian Stevenson as calm, persistent, and deeply compassionate.
Jim Fox, on the other hand, is a powerful figure as Johnny D. Johnny D. Rock his express. Kita bisa melihat rasa trauma, keputusasaan, dan juga harapan kecil yang masih ia simpan.
Another important character is Eva Ensley, played by Brie Larson. Brian is partner in running the Equal Justice Initiative. Eva adalah contoh bagaimana orang biasa, bukan pengacara atau aktivis, mempunyai peran terkenal, seperti memperjuangkan keadilan. She supports Brian project the office and organize the community so the fight can continue.
Left be into the theme of the move because it is ever the film becomes very deep and relevant. The very major theme is criminal injustice. The film shows of African American in the South often face testimonies and hopes to happen for 20 to monitor minerator. Dalam film ini, rasis tidak ditampilkan secara berlebihan, tapi justru ditampilkan secara realitas lewat sikap, keputusan hukum, dan perlakuan aparatur negara.
The second theme is the flaw in the criminal justice system. Just mercy reminds us that the law is not always fair. Ada banyak faktor yang memengaruhi hasil persidangan, tekanan publik lokal, kepentingan polisi, hingga stereotip ras. The movie invites us to question whether justice truly works for everyone or just for those with privilege.
The move had highly more realism and humanity depth for your in-depth know. Johnny D. even why to Brian. Film ini ingin bilang bahwa perubahan tidak mungkin, bahkan ketika semuanya terlihat mustahil. Brian Stevenson juga menunjukkan bahwa keberanian moral dapat menginspirasi perubahan besar.
Let's talk about the character scans. Brian stands in confessing chance who help him practitioners who try to discredit him, and a legal system that doesn't want to admit its mistakes, but still he agrees using facts, evidence, and moral reasoning.
In the climax, Brian presents the truth clearly. The witness lead, the evidence was fabricated, and the police forced a narrative that was convenient. Finally, after a long fight, the court decided to drop all charges against Johnny D. This moment is emotional not just because Johnny D. is feared, but because we realize how many years were stolen from him.
The film technical aspect, Just Mercy as a simple but effective style. Tidak banyak efek dramatis atau visual mewah. Instead, the film focus on natural lighting, close-up shots, and strong performance. This makes the story feel intimate and real. The soundtrack is subtle, giving space for emotional wake of the skin to shine.
In terms of message, Just Mercy tells us that this is not an abstract concept. It is full through of fair Film ini sangat relevan karena mengingatkan bahwa hukum bukan hanya teori di kelas, tapi menyangkut nyawa dan kehidupan orang lain. Being a lawyer is not just empathy and consistent.
To conclude my presentation, Just Mercy is a film that brings powerful storytelling with real social issues. Dengan dominasi aktor berbakat, narasi yang emosional, serta pesan yang kuat tentang keadilan dan kemanusiaan. Film ini sangat layak ditonton dan didiskusikan. It reminds us that justice requires courage, empathy, and consistency.
Sebagai penutup, kelompok 4 menyimpulkan bahwa Just Mercy bukan hanya film, tetapi juga cerminan yang memperlihatkan bagaimana sistem hukum dapat bekerja secara tidak adil ketika dipengaruhi oleh rasisme, bias, dan kekuasaan. Melampaui perjuangan Bryan Stevenson dan kasus Walter Macmillan, kita belajar bahwa keadilan membutuhkan keberanian, kekuatan, dan hati yang berpihak pada manusia. The move reminds us the law is not just about rules, but about real people how living their own fairness and integrity. Untuk kita mahasiswa hukum, film ini menjadi pengingat bahwa profesi hukum tidak hanya soal kemampuan akademik, tetapi juga komitmen moral terhadap keadaan di dunia. Dengan demikian, presentasi dari kelompok 4 kami akhiri.
Harapan kami pembahasan mengenai film Just Mercy ini tidak hanya menambah wawasan,
tetapi juga membuka kesadaran bahwa setiap dari kita punya peran dalam memperjuangkan nilai-nilai keadilan.
Thank you for your attention, and we hope this discussion inspires all of you to see law not just as a system, but as a tool for community. Sekian dari kami, terima kasih.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.